Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the lock screen pattern, password and PIN on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Here is how to change the password used to unlock your phone. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Passwords and Security. Confirm your PIN or password to continue. Now select the type of password you want to use. Enter your PIN, password or pattern and confirm it on the second screen. Then tap OK. Your lock screen password has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.